So I'll make a quick review on this lithium smart battery, which has a built-in battery check on it. So it's really kind of cool to have that on this battery. So you can just press the button and you know when it's charged and how much left is in power, how much power is left. It's a really nice quality battery. Let's see the volt, 7.3 volts, 3000 milliamps. So it's a really big battery, actually. I got this for my camera. This is for a Sony. There's all different models available. You can just look and see what fits your camera. But I really wanted to show you how it works. That's why I want you to see. So what you do is once you charge it up fully, there's a button right here. Okay, you can see right here. It says push. And we'll push the button. What happens, it'll go through a check and you can see. There it is, fully charged. So 4 bars fully charges it. You can see that. So it goes through a cycle. So as it goes down, it'll drop down in power so you'll know. So when it's in the orange, or whatever the color that looks like to amber, you know it needs to be charged. So that's really nice feedback. So if you're working, you have a couple, 2 or 3 of these batteries, and you need to have know how much power you need. Boom, you just check that. These are really great for all kinds of uses, all kinds of cameras. There's all kinds of LED lights. And 3000 milliamp battery. That's a really good quality battery, made very well. Just so you know, this one is a Sony, and there's all different ones available that they do have. So that's what I have today. I just wanted to bring you that and show you one more time. Press that button, and when it's charging, it gives you feedback. So that's another thing too. So when you get any feedback, you know how much is left on the charge, and I think that's important too. It's got good weight to it. It's made very well, good construction, and highly recommend this kind of battery. I recommend definitely the feedback on that feature. That's a really great feature. I absolutely love that. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching the review.